Let's learn how to lock the recently deleted album on an iPhone. If you want only yourself to have access to this album but don't know how to lock it, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once you open Settings, you'll be on a page with many options. On this page, you need to scroll down a bit. After scrolling down, click on the Photos app. Once you click on it, a page with more options will open. On this page, you need to enable the Use Face ID option by clicking the button next to it. Once you have enabled the Use Face ID option, close Settings and open the Photos app. When you open Photos, you'll be on the page with your albums. On this page, scroll all the way down. After scrolling down, you'll see a lock icon next to the recently deleted album. This lock icon indicates that your album is locked. Now when you click on that album, you'll need to scan your Face ID to open it. This means that only you have access to that album. That's it. That's how to lock the recently deleted album. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.